Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Today I am gonna show you how you can add a button on Wix website. Once you have inside of your Wix editor, then on the left panel here you can see plus icon. Just click on this. Now you can add the elements. Here you can see text, image. So we are going to add a button. For that, just hover on button, and then on the right side here you can see button style. You can choose theme button, text and icon button, and only icon button. This is for only icon button. And you can choose image button only, document button, and you can choose any of them. So let's select theme button, and here you can see different style. So now I am gonna choose this, and our button added. Now click and hold and drag it. You can drag it anywhere. So let's put it here, and you can make it bigger as you want, and you can change this button text from here. Change text and icon. Just click on this, click here, and you can choose the display style. It's currently text only. You can change it icon, text and icon. You can add a link on this button. Just click on choose link, and you can add a page link. You can add different site link. Any of link you can add. Google.com. How does it open? It's new window. You can open it current window. For that, just click on done. Okay, you can change also this style also. You can change the style of button. Just click on this design icon, and here you will find out lot of different style. You can change all of them. Okay, now here you can see background field. You can change the button background color from this. Just click on this color icon, and you can change it. You can add any of color from here, and you can change the button transparency color. Just click and hold and drag it. Just click and hold and drag it. It will be transparent. You can change the text, font style, font family, and everything you can change from here. You can add border. You can add corners. You can round this corner. Just click any of the box and add pixel. For example, 20 pixel I have added. You can see 20 pixel rounded. You can add shadow. Add shadow from here. Just you can choose the shadow color. Just click on add shadow, and you can choose the shadow style. Drop, outer drop. You can choose the shadow color here. So this is how you can change everything. You can change layout, you can change the icon, and you can change everything. So this is the way you can add a button on Wix website. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.